Okay, well, welcome in. This afternoon, I'm not really cooking anything, but I'm going to show you all how I use my food saver here that was my oven getting hot, my food saver here to seal up all my spices. You know, I bought all my spices like this, and I want to keep them. I want them to last longer, so I'm going to vacuum seal them, and they will last probably, I don't know how long they'll last, so I'm not going to say, but they will stay fresher a whole lot longer than they will if I leave them in those little plastic tubs, okay? I've got my food saver, and then this did not come with my food saver. I had to order it separate. I'll put you all a link in the description on Amazon where you can get these. And these are the vacuum sealer jar lids. These are not to seal liquids, and they're not to seal hot things. This is not a substitution for pressure canning or water bath canning your items. This is just a way to vacuum seal up spices or dry goods, okay? So with that said, let's get started. First of all, I've got me all my jars are clean, and I'm going to seal up my gluten-free flour, okay? That's what I'm going to do first, and I'm just going to pour it down in this quart jar. I hope that's enough. Let's see, you got to leave an inch space at the top. Oh, this quart jar is not going to be big enough. I'll get me a half-gallon jar. Just hold your horses. Actually, I'm just going to put some in here because I need to use it, and I'll empty some of that out. That way I'll keep this. Okay, here's my gluten-free flour in the jar. You need to take your paper towel, something dry, and wipe around the top, okay, for your rim, because it won't seal if you don't. Make sure your jar lid has been wiped off, and you just use the flat, okay, for this first part. Put your flat on there. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot this. And you can either use a coffee filter or a paper towel. And I just cut my paper towels in little circles, and you just want to put it down in there so that your flour or whatever it is you're sealing doesn't get sucked up in the thing here. All right, now we'll put our top back on it. Put that down on it. This is going to get loud, but you'll be able to hear it when it seals it, okay? And you hit the accessory button. You hear it? It's vacuuming out all the air out of this jar. And I can kind of see it here on the side, kind of compressing a little bit of that flour. There you go, it's sealed. Now you take this off right here, and then you take this top off. Just pull it up, easy. Now see, I can hold it by that. It's sealed. It's sealed in there. And then you want to put your ring on it and put your label. And I've already made out my labels here. Let's see, there's one that says gluten-free flour. Right here it is. Put it right there. That way I'll know that that is my gluten-free flour. All right, instead of boring you all doing all of these things, I'm going to show you a couple of more. How I do a couple more so you kind of get the hang of it, and how I do some of the other dry ingredients that are not flour or spices. Okay, here I've got me a quart jar, and these are just milk chocolate chips, okay? I've got some here that were already opened, and I had put in a Ziploc baggie. But I'm going to drop them all into here, just like this. I'm going to have 3. We're going to have chicken. 3. Okay, now this quart jar held almost 2 whole things of the milk chocolate chips. I hadn't used hardly any out of this bag. So, but for this one, I do not have to put the coffee filter or the paper towel, okay? All I need to do is add my lid, put my top on it, and here we go. We'll get you a drink of water. There you go. Now it's vacuumed all the air out of these chips. And I used to keep them all in the freezer, but now I don't have to because I can put them in jars and seal them up just like that. Okay, now then. All right, let me get my label for that. Right here it is. It says milk chocolate chips. Put it right on there like that. And there is that one. All right, now we're going to try to do one of these big half-gallon jars. Okay, and I'm going to put some, these are called potato pearls. I actually have never bought them. I don't even know what they look like. I don't think they're potato flakes. Oh, they're just little bitty. Like that. I'm going to put those down in here. These have butter in them too. I can smell that butter, let me tell you. All right. There we go. Now this you can use, let me make it is gluten-free. See my gluten-free. You can use this with your chicken breader or whatever. Just put it in your Ninja. I'll chop those up too, just like it does the flakes. Now this one is a wide mouth, so your tool comes with 2 pieces, a wide mouth and a standard. Okay, this is the wide mouth one. Just pop that on there. And here we go. Okay, now this one's done. See, I don't want to really see how it's sealed on there. And you do want to store these with rings when you tan things and so forth. I've heard people say don't store the rings on it. My mama always did, and I don't really know why they don't or why they don't recommend it. But mama always stored hers with the rings on for whatever reason. But mama always did. So I'm going to finish up all my spices here and get all this stuff underway and get it packed up so that I can keep it fresh. And this video is going to be real short and sweet. Won't be long. Maybe y'all will watch me all the way to the end on this one because it didn't take but just a few minutes. But I just want to get on here and show y'all what I was doing today. So remember to like, share, subscribe, Please subscribe. Please share. Comment. Tell me what you're thinking. When you watch my videos, let me know what your thoughts are. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for notifications so that you all don't miss out on a video. And that'll be all for this one. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.